Howdy, howdy. This video is for Mr. Jeffrey. My name is Joseph Graham. My amigos at the Lone Star Times said you might be interested in what we do over here. So when anybody is looking for foundation repair or any of these services, they're going to do one of two things. They're going to ask somebody that they trust, somebody that they know, hey, do you know a good company? And that's how you get the referral, the word of mouth, which is the most powerful lead source, right? The word of mouth. The other way they're going to find you or that service company provider is online search. So when someone is looking for, it's just a contractor, when someone is looking for foundation repair, they're gonna either ask somebody they know or search, right? And when they search, they're gonna come up with some results. Now you got people paying for ads. These guys are paying for ads. These are the map listings, and these are the organic listings below. These organic map listings get 70% of all traffic. When I say traffic, that means calls. People are calling them saying, hey, I need this, right? Of that 70%, 74% are going to look at least 5 reviews before making that purchasing decision. You understand? 70% of anybody looking for this term, foundation repair, crawl space, it doesn't matter what it is, peer installation, they're going to get results, and there's going to be businesses in these maps. 70% are going to call this, 20%, 10%. Okay? These people are only paying for ads for two reasons. Reason one, they're a really big company. They're in every state, in every city, and they're just, plus it's a write off anyways. All this is, but that's how they're buying their way on the page one. The other reason is they're buying their way to page one is because they don't know these key elements I'm about to show you. So the first one is that map listing, which anchors you in the town you want to rank in, right? Let's look. So while this our heat map does this thing, I'm gonna break this down. That map listing is super essential. This had just changed, but still the fact that Google is the highest trafficked website, especially page one in the world, or at least United States, right? Facebook used to be second. Now YouTube is second, but Facebook's third. So I would pretty much say that anybody looking for a foundation repair is either going to find you through word of mouth or through page one. Now this thing right here builds trust not only with Google, it builds trust with the public. Does that make sense? So having it optimized. So, but what I don't really understand is why you'll go to Sherman in Greensville when there's more people in Tarrant County than both of these counties combined. Either way, so optimizing your map listing and then building citations. And citations is whenever your name, address, and phone number, the address you use to set this up, are spread all throughout the internet, right? Like if you have a Facebook page and you have your NAP info on that Facebook page, they give you a citation. Yelp, Yellow Visor, the BBB, all these different local chamber of commerce and 100 other different places. They're going to give you citation based off of your NAP info. Content is the words on your site. It needs to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant. Authoritative, relevant to searchers. What does that mean? It means if you offer a retaining wall service, you want to have the most relevant content for this service. I always use Wikipedia because no matter what you type in, it does matter, but I mean, whether it's a driveway, whether it's like type in beer, type in walls, Wikipedia usually appears first because they have the most authoritative content, the most relevant content. That's why they're always popping up first. So if we're looking up retaining walls, retaining walls, wall retainer, right? Same thing. People paying for ads, top 3 organic businesses, organic map listings, and then the organic listings below. Okay. So optimizing that, building citations, building content, authoritative content on your site. And look. There's people that ask questions. See these questions? Answer those questions on your site. You become more authoritative. Does a foundation repair need a license in Texas? No, I think Florida, right? Or maybe Tennessee or somewhere out there. I deal with a lot of foundation repair, mainly on the East Coast. I do work with businesses in Texas, but predominantly I haven't worked with anybody home, and I'm from Fort Worth. Mainly like a lot of waterproofing companies on the coast, like coastal cities. So backlinks are votes from other sites. Okay, backlinks are going to give you juice, give your like website juice to move forward. I can show you how many you have. You're like, what the hell is a backlink? Show you a backlink. Show you what a backlink is. You got 17. You got 39 backlinks. So these are just votes from other sites. This is like fuel. It's fuel that'll push anything you have online to page 1. Okay. Now let's go back to here. Should be finished. All right. So remember, I was talking about that map listing, and anybody in a specific area making a specific search. In this scenario, we're using the keyword foundation repair. That's the search that they're looking for. So if someone in Farmersville made that search, they're going to see these top 3 businesses: PDK, Prime, and Dotson, right? And that they're green all throughout here. All throughout there. Let's go back to here. So you dominate in a couple places, in right by Allen and in the middle of the lake. Why you're in the middle of the lake, I don't know. Probably people who live on the lake. So McKinney, Elite, Wiley, right? So this is the business right here. And how do you turn most of these places red? Well, if you service any of these areas, there's an automated way you can get reviews. And let's say you service somebody in McKinney, it would be great if in that review they mentioned where they were from, right? It'd be awesome. If you took a picture of that job in McKinney, you want to tag that photo. Like, let me show you. I'm gonna save this picture and just see if it's even labeled. See, this picture's not even labeled. It's not labeled anything. It's just you got it from Shutterstock, right? But let's say they uploaded a picture. You guys uploaded a picture of that job, and like you tagged it. You can actually geotag. Anytime you take a picture with your phone, it is geotagged. Like it knows the exact location where you took that picture. It's freaky, super freaky. That's why, like, I try to tell my wife stop uploading pictures of the kids because they know where we're going, right? It's freaky. So yeah, man, these are the key elements to ranking organically. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Joseph Graham, Upshot Solutions. Peace.